everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to do a cloud pour. I am using the recipe that I have from last year. I know some artists have changed up what they're doing, some of my favorites. I haven't really looked into it thoroughly. I just saw the one that I did last year and I really thought I would try something again. Anyway, so I mixed up some paints, and what I've got for colors, I've got white for the background, and what I've got for colors is Golden Ultramarine Blue in the High Flow Acrylic, Phthalo Turquoise in the Fluid Acrylics, Quinacridone Violet in the Fluid Acrylics, and Iridescent Gold in their 2 paint. I like the golden paints for this because they're very pigmented paints and the colors are very vivid. You can see how bright and cheery they are. And they're very thin too. They have to be very thin for this technique. So I will put the recipe that I'm using down in the description box for you. So if it works out well and you like what you see and you want to try it, you'll have it right there. Basically, the ingredients that you need are GAC 800 and Liquitex Gloss Medium and Floetrol, and of course paint. Golden for the color, I'm using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic on the base, along with the satin enamels. That is one of the key ingredients, is the DecoArt Satin Enamels. I know that was hard to come by for a while last year, and so other people have found that they were using some of the satin enamel house paints. So I don't think it's really an issue this year, though, to really get to achieve that paint anymore. I was able to get it again in all colors that I wanted to try with. So I don't know. We'll just go with this for today, and if we have some trouble going forward, we will figure it out together. Anyway, I am going to, let's see, I want a little more paint on there than that. I want a nice smooth surface to work with. So I'm going to tilt this around and tilt it off so that I have a nice smooth surface here. There we go. here's the final dry results. This is really pretty. The colors are so vibrant. And the cloud, the way the paint turned and reacted and looks like clouds, and the pearl cells are beautiful. Look at those colors and how they're together, and the pearls just have the different color rings. I really absolutely love this. I'm going to do another one with the same colors to go with it. I don't know. I love it. I really do. I think I'd like to try it though with a little bit of, look at that. Yeah, cool. Sorry, a little bit of negative space. I think that'll be fun. So check in next video and see that. We'll see what we can do with that and see if we can get them to kind of be similar enough to be a diptych. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would, please, if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, I really appreciate you very much. Love you all. Thank you for stopping by again. Till next time. Bye.